Which country was the partner country at the 56th International Film Festival of India 2025? Correct answer is option A, Spain. Which national park was rated good by the IUCN in its global review of natural World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is option D, Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim. Which state imposed green tax on vehicles entering from outside its borders? Correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Which institute has launched the nation's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope? Correct answer is option A, IIT Bombay. Where was the 6th India Vietnam Joint Military Exercise WIMBEX conducted? Correct answer is option C, Hanoi, Vietnam. Which state became the first to implement the amended BharatNet scheme? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. India's first wildlife safe highway was launched on which national highway? Correct answer is option B, NH45. Which Indian state became the first to achieve 100% digitization of voter rolls under SIR 2026? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Who has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Raj Kumar Goyal. The Supreme Court has directed which state to officially notify the Saranda Forest area as a wildlife sanctuary? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. What is India's rank in the Airborne Capital Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 67th. Which Indian naval ship participated in the annual military exercise Malabar 2025 held in Guam, USA? Correct answer is option D, INS Sahyadri. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Cizelle. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Which two beaches in Odisha have been awarded the prestigious Blue Flag certification for the years 2025 to 26? Correct answer is option B, Sunapur and Puri. What is India's rank in the Global Climate Risk Index 2026 published by German Watch? Correct answer is option D, ninth. Who has taken charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vishwajit Sahai. Who has been appointed as the first female Secretary General of the UN World Tourism Organization? Correct answer is option B, Sheikh Al Nowais. Who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which city has been selected to host the United Nations Climate Change Conference in 2027? Correct answer is option C, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. India won its maiden squash World Cup title in December 2025 after defeating which team? Correct answer is option D, Hong Kong. Which Indian paramilitary force has unveiled its all-female drone operation unit, the Durga Drone Squadron? Correct answer is option A, Border Security Force. Which term has Collins Dictionary declared as its word of the year for 2025? Correct answer is option C, vibe coding. Who has posthumously awarded the Vigyan Ratna Award 2025? Correct answer is option D. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first digital tribal freedom fighter museum? Correct answer is option C. Atal Nagar, Nawa Raipur. Two traditional musical instruments from which state, the Tungbuk and the Pumtong Pulit, have been granted the geographical indication tag? Correct answer is option C. Sikkim. Where was exercise Ajaya Warrior 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Mahajan Field Firing Range, Rajasthan. Who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in November 2025? Correct answer is option A. Justice Suryakant. Which state has been declared as India's first state to be free from extreme poverty? Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Which Indian sportsperson was conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? Correct answer is option D. Neeraj Chopra. Which Indian non-profit organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Educate Girls. India won the Cognivera International Polo Cup 2025 by defeating which world champion team? Correct answer is option B. Argentina. Which country named the recent cyclone Montha that formed in the Bay of Bengal? Correct answer is option C. Thailand. Who has been appointed as the 13th Director of the Botanical Survey of India? Correct answer is option B. Dr. Kanad Das. Which Indian athlete has been named the torchbearer for the Milano Cortina Winter Olympics 2026? Correct answer is option B. Abhinav Bindra. Which country has unveiled the world's fastest bullet train, the CR 450? Correct answer is option B. China. Maria Corina Machado of which country has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B. Venezuela. Which country ranks first in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option A. Ireland. Who has been appointed as its first mental health ambassador by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct answer is option B. Deepika Padukone. Which city will host the Commonwealth Games 2030 in India? Correct answer is option C. Ahmedabad. Who authored the book How India Scaled Mount G20, the inside story of the G20 presidency? Correct answer is option B. Amitabh Kant. Under the Ullas scheme, which union territory became the first fully literate union territory of India? Correct answer is option D. Ladakh. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A. Fatima Bosch. Vaibhav Suryavanshi was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 for achievements in which sport? Correct answer is option C. Cricket. Who won the Grammy Award for Best New Age Ambient or Chant Album in 2025? Correct answer is option A. Chandrika Tandon. Where was the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Who topped the Hurun India Top 200 Entrepreneurs list in 2025? Correct answer is option B. Dipinder Goyal. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jharkhand. Who won the Best Actress Award at the Filmfare Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alia Bhatt. Who became the highest six-hitter in one-day internationals? Correct answer is option C, Rohit Sharma. India's first dedicated forest university is being established in which city? Correct answer is option C, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which book received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for Hindi language? Correct answer is option C, Ek Bate 12. Who was named Times CEO of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Who was approved as Managing Director of State Bank of India by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ravi Ranjan. Which city was the host of the 11th International Day of Yoga 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam. DRDO successfully conducted the maiden flight test of which rocket system in December 2025? Correct answer is option D, Pinaka Long Range Guided Rocket. Which country became the first to receive UNESCO recognition for its national cuisine as intangible cultural heritage? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Which state ranked first in the Best State category at the 6th National Water Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Where was the 70-foot tall iron statue of Lionel Messi unveiled during his visit to India? Correct answer is option D, Kolkata. Which Indian sites have been designated as Ramsar sites in December 2025? Correct answer is option D, Silicide Lake and Copra Reservoir. Who inaugurated India's first private navigation excellence center in Tiruvananthapuram? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. What is the name of the recent Indian operation to provide relief to Sri Lanka after cyclone Ditwa? Correct answer is option D, Operation Sagar Bandhu. Where was the third edition of International Purple Fair 2025 for persons with disabilities held? Who became the first woman flight engineer of the Border Security Force Air Wing? Correct answer is option C, Bhavna Chaudhary. Where was India's first Semiconductor Innovation Museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Which American state has officially declared Diwali as a state holiday? Correct answer is option C, California. Under which project has the Border Roads Organization constructed the world's highest motorable road at Migla Pass in Ladakh? Correct answer is option B, Project Himank. By what name did the Indian Navy launch its second anti-submarine warfare ship in Vishakhapatnam? Correct answer is option C, INS Androth. What has the Maharashtra government renamed Navi Mumbai International Airport? Correct answer is option C, Loknete D.B. Patil International Airport. Who is the only cricketer in the world to be included in the Times 100 Next list released by Time magazine? Correct answer is option C, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Where was the 30th UN Climate Change Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Who is the author of the book Modi's Mission? Correct answer is option D. Burgess Desai. Which Malayalam film actor was honored with the 55th Dada Saheb Phalke Award by President Draupadi Murmu? Correct answer is option B. Mohanlal. Which Indian aircraft carrier was deployed to the International Fleet Review 2025 in Colombo? Correct answer is option B. INS Vikrant. Where was the SCO Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Tianjin, China. Which country has recently joined the International Union for Conservation of Nature as its 90th state member? Correct answer is option C. Tuvalu. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025 for her short story collection Heart Lamp? Correct answer is option A. Banu Mushtaq. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option A. 23rd. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone of the country's first PM Mitra Park? Correct answer is option A. Bhansola village, Madhya Pradesh. In August 2025, which tiger reserve became the second largest tiger reserve in India? Correct answer is option B. Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Who became the first female Prime Minister of Nepal in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Sushila Karki. What is India's rank in the Gender Gap Index 2025 among 148 countries? Correct answer is option A. 131. Who was crowned Mrs. Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A. Sherry Singh. Which university won the Khelo India University Games 2025 championship? Correct answer is option B. Chandigarh University. Who has been named the official brand ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B. Rohit Sharma. Who won the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C. India. Who was honored with the first global MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace? Correct answer is option B. Professor Ademola A. Adenle. Who is the author of the book The Hitman, The Rohit Sharma Story? Correct answer is option A. R. Kaushik. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip? Correct answer is option A. Vikram 32. Who assumed charge as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Correct answer is option B. Praveer Ranjan. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B. Amit Khare. Who became the first Indian to receive the Canton R. Miller Award for Innovation in Sustainable Protected Area Management? Correct answer is option A. Sonali Ghosh. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B. Manika Vishwakarma. Which union territory became the first in India to achieve zero maternal mortality rate in September 2025? Correct answer is option C. Puducherry. Which ministry launched the National Innovation Competition Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 for classes 6 to 12th? Correct answer is option A. Ministry of Education. Who has become the first para-athlete to secure a position in the mainstream Indian archery team? Correct answer is option B. Sheetal Devi. Which state launched India's first vulture conservation portal, the Vulture Network? Correct answer is option B. Assam. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option A. Opal Suchata Chwangsri. Which has become the first government hospital in India to perform a robot assisted kidney transplant surgery? Correct answer is option B. AIMS Delhi. In which national park has the Gajrakshak app been launched for monitoring elephants? Correct answer is option C. Bandhavgarh National Park. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which national park was recently rated good by the IUCN in its global review of natural World Heritage Sites? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.